Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make pocket hole without pocket jig. It's a mix of toe nailing, very cost efficient way. If you're like me, I don't have a jig and I don't build furniture that often, this will work. It's not as sturdy, it's not as great. It's pretty much toe nailing with a little bit of a twist. So you set your drill down, straight down, and you lay it down. It gives you that down and then that angle. You come over here, you do it again. This is not a clean way of doing it. Then you take a bigger one, usually the size of your screw or bigger. Get to focus there. It works. I mean, in a pinch, it will do exactly what you need a pocket hole to do. I don't know if that helps anybody out, but a little something I know.